Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to my channel Degen Kid. In today's video, just a quick overview of the market and yeah, let's get straight into it. So as we can see here, market is down again, so down 2.8% in the last 24 hours, 835 billion market cap. A lot of the top the top 10, I say top 10, top 100 coins are literally in the red in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's down 2.4%. Pretty much going down below the 16k level, I believe, currently at 16.1. ETH's down at 1.13, so down 3.4%. A lot of the other big coins are down as well. So Doge is down 7.9, Polygon down 3%, and yeah, it's kind of trickling through the market. Solana is down at $12. If we take a look at the charts quickly, so Bitcoin on the daily, so we're kind of trading at the lower end of the Bollinger Bands, probably a little bit more to go. I'm thinking the next level of support we have is around, well, literally 16,000 roughly, if we just round that. And to be honest, I think we'll probably end up going lower than that and hitting the lower end of the Bollinger Band, which is roughly around 14,000. MACD is also showing bearish and obviously trading below the 50 and the 200 EMA as well. If we look at that on the 4 hourly, so the 4 hourly picture is slightly different. Again, we're at the lower end of the Bollinger Band. We're kind of making a little move upwards, but you know, I think we'll probably end up coming up to around 16.5, which is the middle of the band, and then dropping back below that again. The MACD is showing a bearish bearish momentum within the market, so that's on the 4 hourly as well. Just take a look at ETH quickly. So ETH again, if I just reset these charts. So on the daily, currently trading within those ranges. So I had these two trend lines going across. We're currently bouncing around within that range. Again, heading down towards the lower end of the Bollinger Band. Previous support level was 1071, so I think we'll probably end up coming down and testing that level of support again. And yeah, MACD looks bearish as well, and trading below the you know, the major trend lines, so the 50 and the 200 moving averages. Also on the 4 hourly, again lower end of the Bollinger Band, having a slight little increase at the moment, but I think we'll probably end up coming back to the 1.186 level and then dropping down again after that. Again, MACD showing bearish, and I think that's pretty much the case in the market at the moment. Whole market is looking bearish. If we just take a look at Sol, it's a similar concept. Let's get rid of these lines. So we just zoom in and we put that on the daily. So again, we're kind of trading around the $12 mark, and you can see the Bollinger Band actually stretches very low. It stretches down to like $3, and it looks like we are kind of heading that way. So we've got all these red candles heading lower, and to be honest, maybe we don't get to like the $4 mark, but definitely looking like we're probably close to getting like $8 or so. From a charts perspective, MACD is mega bearish on the 4 hourly as well. Let's just zoom in, slide that way, and again bearish MACD. Not really much movement, just kind of sideways consolidation at this stage. Let's just bring in a box. Where is that? So there we go. So let's bring this in. So we just literally been trading within this kind of range, just bouncing around between like $15 and $11. So we're just kind of bouncing around that range. So if we do end up you know, dropping below this 11.3 lower level, then potentially we could be headed down towards the, you know, the $8 or so on. So again, bearish there. And I think this week, just in general for crypto, is going to be a big week. There's a lot of I guess unraveling happening with the whole FTX impact, and yeah, that's kind of trickling down onto other exchanges as well. So I know that there's Grayscale, which may be impacted, and potentially other exchanges. So I think there's kind of a bit of a ripple effect at the moment, and yeah, the markets just generally are looking very bearish. So yeah, not looking good. And maybe if I just look at one more, so if we take a look at Casper is a coin that I'm bullish on in the longer term for sure. Again, on the daily is bearish. Obviously, it's showing bearish divergence within the MACD, trading below the trend lines, coming down towards the lower end of the Bollinger Band, and a support level of 0.024, currently at 0.028. So yeah, potentially drop down to those levels there. On the 4-hourly, looks a bit more bullish. We have actually hit the top end of the Bollinger Band, and also the 50 EMA, which looks like it's holding up as resistance. And then I think what would end up happening is we'll probably drop back down again to the lower level of the band, so at 0.027. I know it's not massive amount of movements, pennies or cents even, within each other. So yeah, I think we'll end up dropping down to that 0.027. And obviously, if we do come down and test this level of support, 0.024, it could be potential. We could, end up dropping down to those levels. But it really depends on how, I guess, the market plays out and what really happens within this week. So I think this week's going to be a big week for the whole crypto space, just in general. But anyways, guys, short video, kept it snappy. I hope you enjoyed that. Give me your thoughts on what coins you're buying, and hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.